Hi, my name is Vanessa. I'm PhD student at the University of São Paulo, Brazil. And I'm going to present the work entitled Emergy-based Sustainability Assessment of Beef Cow-Calf Operation System. This study is based on an emergy analysis. This methodology is useful to assess resource utilization and comparison between different production systems. With this data, there is possible to support the it's possible to support decision-making process for environmental cleaner production. So, the aim of this study was to evaluate the impact of beef cow-calf operation on an extensive system by employing emergency analysis based on sustainability indicators. For this, an inventory of activities and inputs used during the 2019 breeding season and subsequent hearing phase with the calves born in 2020 and weaned in 2021. All the animals were for the breeding Nelore animals. These animals belong to Animal Science Institute, located in Sertãozinho, São Paulo, Brazil. This research center is known worldwide of, for the genetic improvement of beef cattle for weight gain. The cow-calf operation system comprised 266.95 hectares of Urucoa pasture. The production system is considered extensive, with a mineral supplementation of zero point 0.1 kilograms head day for 180 days of the year, and a protein mineral supplementation of zero point 0.25 kilograms head day during the dry periods, 180 days of the year. This supplement is purchased on markets and distributed by tractors in the farm. The climate in the region is considered tropical, with the rainy season concentrated in the summer. The herd consists of 199 cows, 9 bulls, and 120 calves with natural mating being adopted. Data regarding pasture production and consumption, facility usage, input consumption, and zootechnical indicators like weight gain, mortality, pregnancy rate, number of animals were collected. Outputs were measured in kilograms of live body weight and compressed animals sold as steers and animal for feedlot and in the slaughter. The collected data were organized in an emergy table characterized according to their origin as nature or economic. The sum of these inputs represented the emergy value produced in the production system. The transformability of livestock was calculated to be 6.77 E plus 0.5 Sag per joules, indicating a good energy efficiency in the comparison to other livestock systems related in the literature. The environmental load ratio of 1.47 suggests a low environmental impact of the system. However, the yield emergy ratio of 1.68 indicates that the system does not significantly increase emergy production. Finally, the Emergy Sustainability Index was found to be 1.14, reflecting a medium-term sustainability. Notably, fuel and consumption of protein mineral supplement were identified as the inputs with the most significant impact on energy in emerging indicators. The system Based on this result, it suggests that the extensive production system of beef cow-calf operation exhibits a good energy efficiency with low environmental impacts, reflecting a medium-term sustainability. Therefore, the pasture-based production system can serve as a viable alternative for raising beef cattle in Brazil. However, it is important to focus on producing supplemental feed within the farm's boundaries to minimize fuel and supplement inputs. To gain a deeper comprehension of the influence of animal feeding on production sustainability, it's become necessary to conduct regional or national studies on the subject. As the spatial scale expands, this will ensure the proper involvement of all stakeholders within the production chain. I would like to thank you, the Animal Science Institute, for the data and all the support for doing this research, and my University of São Paulo, the School of Veterinary Medicine and Animal Science. Also, I would like to thank you, the Laboratory of Socioeconomic Analysis and Animal Science.